Torrential rain combined with the dry soil from an unrelated heavy led to significant flash flooding in this region. Such large cities have experienced serious disruption in the transport infrastructure. Streets are flooded with water and metro stations are closed. Gusts of wind were also recorded near due to which the railway was suspended. A strong thunderstorm injured another due to fallen trees and collapsing roofs. The same storm produced with the gust winds in excess of 113 miles per hour. But weather is raging in Lazio, but not only. Storms surge across Italy and snow at very low altitude. Strong winds with a cyclone rotation around the lobe between Basilicata and Campania. Wind gusts up to 100 km/h in the low part of Tyrrhenian Sea, the Sicilian, Ionian, and Adriatic stars, and as a result, strong storms surge along the open coast. The situation is less critical in the westmost basin in the upper of Tyrrhenian Sea. The Road Sea in front of Ponza is well the ferry that contains in the island with the Formia with a marquee on the waves. The ship brought the Formia left an hour late today. In the late afternoon he was still in this way, leaving Ponza at 3:15 p.m. A rule expects around 20:45 in Formia. Even in this region of Tyrrhenia over the past few hours is occurred in the future of the real cyclone. The wind surrounded in it reached and sometimes exceeded gets up to 100 km/h and the sea was stormy.